Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of gold USD in front of us right now. And as we all know, there was sharp fall on gold yesterday. Before I proceed, I would like to apologize for not bringing videos for the last 3 days because I was very busy. In fact, in my previous video, I told you that I am about to launch a signal service, and so I was very busy with the what newly launched WhatsApp group, because along with the signal service I also bring the best trading opportunities in the market. I do the analysis of the upcoming trading opportunities and many things. If you want to know more about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section you will find all the information. What is the Pro Trader program, what are the benefits and all. Okay, if you want to know more about it, you can just watch it. Okay, so let's jump to the chart of gold USD. Yes, there was a huge fall on the chart of gold USD. If you remember correctly, in my earlier videos I clearly mentioned that whenever you will find market testing a level too many times, the market loses its strength. Okay, and I clearly told you that market has been testing this level too many times, and as a result there is a good possibility of market breaking the support and going down, and that's what happened yesterday. Market broke the support and there was a sharp fall on the market. And right now if you look at the chart here, then you can see that right now gold is trying to recover here, and right now market is trading at 1775. Okay, so right now market is trying to recover. Okay, but if you look at the present trend of the market here, then we can see that the market is in downtrend right now. If you look at the chart here, or if I just ask you to observe the chart like this, then you can see that the market or the chart looks like a choppy chart. Okay, but if we just observe these three price highs, then you can see that yes, market is trying to recover all the time, but whenever market is trying to go up, it is unable to cross the previous high. Or in simple words, market is constantly forming lower highs, and we can also join these lower highs with the help of this trend line, or this trend line is also acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. And the lower highs formed by the market signifies the increase in number of sellers in the market. So it means that selling pressure is slowly increasing in the chart of gold here. Okay, so apart from the increasing selling pressure, the previous level of 1780 to 1790 will be the new resistance for the market. Yes, previously it was the resistance, so the support will be the new resistance for the market. So 1780 to 1790 is the new resistance, and at the bottom we have got 1750 to 1740 still acting as a strong support. So this is the resistance for us, this is the support for us. At the top we have 1805, we don't need today. Okay, and along with the 1790 level, we also have this trend line as the resistance. So these are the resistances in the market. Okay, 1790s to 1780, the trend line 1805. So we have got multiple resistances on gold USD, but at the downside we only have got one support level, that is 1740 to 1750, and this is also a temporary support, 1760 level, not a very strong one. Okay, so what should be our strategy for gold USD right now? The question is, what should be a strategy? So newly traders, beginners, your strategy should be buy at 1750 level. Okay, listen to me carefully. Beginners and new traders, what you can do is that you can go for safe trading option. So when market will be coming down to the 1750 level, and if market bounces, you can go for buy. That is your first trading opportunity. On the other hand, if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here and market reverses from the 1780 to 1790 level. Yes, if market reverses from the 1780 to 1790 level or from the trend line, because the trend line is inside the resistance zone only. So if market reverses from this particular level, that can be your second trading opportunities. These are the two safest trading opportunity for you if you're a beginner or new trader. Clear? So beginners, you can do follow this strategy. On the other hand, the experienced traders who have been trading for quite some time, what you can do is that you can see previously this level is the or was the support for the market, and we can hope that this level will be the new temporary resistance for the market. Yes, you can also see that right now market is kind of facing some kind of selling pressure or resistance at 1775 level. Yes, market is facing some selling pressure at 1775 level. So if you want to short the market here, yes, you can short the market at 1775 level, but let me clarify, let me tell you clearly, this is not at all a safe level. The risk is very high. Unlike shorting the market at this resistance level or go for buying at this support level, selling at 1775 is quite a risky call, because we do not have any proper clarification about the presence of sellers in this level. What is resistance? Resistance means the place of sellers and support means the place of buyers. So it's totally your call. If you ask me, Abhilash, what should I do? I'll suggest you to wait for the market to reverse either from the resistance zone or either market to bounce from the support zone. Okay, so if you love your hard-earned money, wait for the perfect opportunity, wait for the safe opportunity. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Yes, I'll be coming tomorrow again. Bye bye.